Now, all of this should have been a serious blow to the early hype about resveratrol, but researchers kept looking for beneficial effects. So far, though, the results have been disappointing. In particular, when the interventions testing program trialed resveratrol, there was no effect seen. Now, that program first confirmed that resveratrol is indeed absorbed into the bloodstream, so it's not an absorption issue, it's just that resveratrol does not work. Results have been disappointing for the other claimed benefits of resveratrol too. So for example, some have suggested that it can improve type 2 diabetes, but a Cochrane analysis found that the current research does not support any claims. So does resveratrol have any effect whatsoever? Well, yes, but not the effects that we want. A recent study returned to the question of whether it can stimulate SIRT1. Researchers used the latest CRISPR technology to see exactly what was going on, and backing up the study that we looked at earlier, they found that resveratrol does not directly activate SIRT1. Instead, resveratrol stressed the cells. It interfered with the process of copying DNA during cell division, which of course is not good, but there might be a silver lining, and it has to do with exercise. So here's the logic. When we exercise, we stress our cells, and that works to our benefit. It signals to them that they need to become stronger and more efficient. So the thought was this: if we could combine resveratrol with exercise to ramp up the cellular stress, maybe this would also increase the benefits that we get from exercise. But it turns out that the opposite happens. One study looked at 27 men who performed high-intensity exercise training. Resveratrol supplementation reduced the positive effects of exercise training on blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and how efficiently their bodies used oxygen. There's also some clinical evidence that resveratrol can lower testosterone levels.